This tutorial shows you how to enable APK installation from sources outside the Play Store on your Android device. First, download the APK file you want to install using your browser or file manager. Once downloaded, tap on the APK file to install it. A pop-up will appear saying, "For your security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source." Now, tap Settings in that pop-up. This will take you directly to the Install Permissions page. Alternatively, you can manually go to Settings yourself. Open the Settings application. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Tap on Special Access from the menu. Look for Install Unknown Apps in the list. Moving forward, tap on Install Unknown Apps. You'll see a list of apps that can install APKs, like Chrome, Files, My Files, or Samsung Internet. Tap on the app you use to download the APK file. Afterwards, toggle on Allow from this source. A warning message will appear about security risks. Tap OK or Allow Anyway to confirm. Now go back to your downloaded APK file. Tap on it again to install. The installation screen will appear. Tap Install to proceed. Wait for the installation to complete. Once done, tap Open to launch the app. Your unknown app is now installed on your Samsung device. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you install unknown apps on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.